Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve few logical reasoning questions based on Nabard examination. So let us begin with our first question. But before that we have directions for first 5 questions. So let's go through the directions. It says these questions are based on the following letter, number, symbol arrangement. Study it carefully and answer the question. So here you can see we have arrangement including letters, we have symbols as well as we have numbers. So we have a combination of all these three and is combined to form a sequence. So let us begin with first question. So question 1 says how many such numbers are there? How many such numbers are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a consonant and also followed by a symbol. So we need the numbers which are preceded by a consonant, that is we should have a consonant and then we should have a number and then we should have a symbol, and we need to find how many such sequences are there. So let's check each and every number. So first 8, and the criteria is we should have a consonant before this and we should have a symbol after this. So you can see we have no consonant in front of 8, so 8 cannot be considered. Now we have 2. So 2 is preceded by a consonant which is B, as well as it is followed by a symbol. So 2 is a valid number, a required number. If we proceed, we see 7, which is again preceded by a consonant as well as followed by a symbol. So we will consider 7 also. Then we have a 5, which is preceded by a symbol and followed by a letter. So we don't need this because we need a number which is preceded by consonant, but this is preceded by a symbol, so we won't take 5. Then we have 1, and we need a number which is preceded by a consonant, but you can see 1 is preceded by A, which is a vowel, which is not a consonant, so we cannot consider 1 also. Then we have 9. So 9 is preceded by a consonant, but you can see it is not followed by a symbol. We also need followed by a symbol, so we will not consider 9. We cannot consider 4 also because as you can see it is preceded by a number as well as followed by a letter. So both the criteria does not follow here. Then we next is 6. So you can see it is preceded by a letter as well as followed by a letter. So we cannot consider 6 also. Then we have 3. You can see if 3 is not followed by anything, so we cannot consider 3 also. So you can see we are left with only numbers 2 and 7. Or the criteria is followed only by 2 and 7. So the answer is we have 2 such numbers. So the answer is 2, which is option number C. So option C becomes the correct answer to this question. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 2. So question 2 here says which of the following should replace the question mark in the following series based on the above arrangement. Okay, so here we have series which is 2ek, then we have percentage A1, then we have G94, and we have 4 options. Which of these 4 options maintain the same series, same sequence according to these 3? So first let us find what type of sequence, what type of series are these following. We have 2ek. So let's check here. We have 2, we have E, and we have K. So the sequence is first, then we have a gap here, then we have second, and then we have third. Let's check others also. We have percentage A1. So here you can see we have percentage, here we have A, and here we have 1. So also first, then we have a gap, then we have second and third. Let's check the third also, G94. So G94, you can see here we have G, here we have 9, and here we have again this is the same property where first a gap and second and third. So now let's check the options and which of the options follow this criteria. First option is asterisk 6H. So here you can see asterisk, then we have 6, and then we have H. So you can see first, then we have a gap, then second and third. So our first option becomes the correct option because it follows the same criteria as the given options. So first option follows the same criteria. For our confirmation we can also check the other options, but the correct answer to this question will be option A only. Now let's move on to the next question, which is question 3. It says which of the following is the fifth to the left of the 17th or from the left end of the arrangement. So we need left end, then we need the 17th, then we need fifth to the left. So left hand 17th and fifth to the left. So left hand 17th. So 1 2 3. Okay, sorry, this is the right hand. Here we have left hand, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So this is the 17th term from the left. So 17th term from left hand. Then we need which one of the following is fifth to the left of this number. So towards the left means this side, and fifth. So fifth means this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. So basically this is the fifth, which is 1. So 1 is the answer to this question. Let's check the options. Since you can see we do not have 1 in the option, so our answer will be none of these. Many a times when we see that the answer is coming none of these, we get scared because our answer is not in the option, but it is done intentionally to make you scared, to make you under pressure. But answer can be none of these, as in this question answer is none of these. So next question is question 4. It says if all the numbers are deleted from the above arrangement. Okay, remember we are deleting only the numbers, not the symbols or letters. Which of the following will be the 12th from the right end? Okay, so we will not consider the numbers and we need to find 12th from the right end. So here we have no numbers should be considered. So let me first cross the numbers. So these are the numbers, we won't consider them. Then we need the 12th from the right. So I hope all the numbers are gone. Now let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So our answer will be K. These questions are basically very easy, but a silly mistake makes the whole question wrong. So you need to do them sincerely and maintain a level of intelligence over these questions. So you must be remembering our answer came to be K. So let's check the options here. So option number B says K, hence option B is the correct answer to this question. Now let's move on to the last question of this section, which says how many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and followed by a letter. So we need a symbol which is preceded by number and followed by letter. For example, this is a number and this is a symbol and this is a letter. So we need this sequence, a symbol which is preceded by a number and followed by a letter. So let's check here. Symbol preceded by number followed by letter. So let me clear this out. Yeah, so let's check symbol. So here we have a symbol which is preceded by number followed by letter. So this is a correct symbol. Here we have again a symbol which is preceded by a number as well as followed by a letter. So this is also a correct option. Then we have this is a symbol, but this is preceded by a number but not followed by alphabet. So we will not consider this one. So let's move on to the next. Then we have next symbol is here, which is preceded by a number as well as followed by a letter. So we will consider this also. Now the next symbol is here, which is not preceded by a number. So we will not consider that. Again, the last symbol is this @ which is not preceded by a number. So we will not consider that also. So here you can see we are okay. So I think I have rubbed one extra. Yeah, here we have a symbol which is preceded by a number as well as followed by a letter. So as you can see, we have 3 such symbols in this series which are preceded by numbers as well as followed by letters. So 3 is the answer. We needed the number of such symbols. So the number of such symbols is 3, which is option number D is the correct answer to this question. So I will like to end this video here. You will find some more logical reasoning questions based on Nabard examination in our further videos.